Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I check out from the St. Regis in Bangkok and moved to the W Hotel in Bangkok and continue for work. So I booked this particular room and they have no rooms to upgrade me. So this is just a particular room on the high floor, but with a bigger room, I guess, in this corner. And I love the bright window and such. So I'm going to show you. It is kind of like a panorama corner room on the high floor, but they still consider that as this particular room. So this is a nice view, and I like it bright with all the natural lights coming in. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick room tour. Actually pretty good size for a spectacular room. And then I find some similarity at some of the W hotel that I stay recently, that they are using the curtain to divide between the bathroom and the main bedroom. So this is the same case here. The only thing is with using the curtain, actually the sound will be heard instead of the door. But anyway, you are staying with your family or like me, solo for work, so that is okay. So on this side is a huge mirror to make sure you look nice before you go out. And then on my left is the bathroom area. So this is a huge bathtub, which is nice. And then with the bathrobe, and then amenities. Okay. And then this is the toilet. And then this is a single sink with 2 bottles of water for teeth brushing and the makeup mirror. Okay. So that's all I see here. Excuse me. And this is the shower room. So with the rain shower, it's not too big in size. It's a little compact, but that's okay. And they have the Momo for the amenity: shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. I love this brand, the Momo brand. Okay, so let's move into the bedroom. Or before that, this is the closet. So let's take a look. Okay, so another bathrobe here, the luggage rack here, and then 2 pair of slippers, and then good numbers of hangers, safe deposit box. Sorry. Okay, the laundry set, as well as the hair dryer. Okay, so everything is in here. Okay. Now moving in is the signature W mix bar. So this one doesn't have the cart that they usually have, but they do have the mixer. They do have the, this is the mixer, get the mix. And then they do have the ice bucket, the glasses and the menus and different kind of alcohol as well. And then the snack. And then on this one is actually everything you need for extra bottle of water, kettle, the shaker. Oh, the shaker is over there. So this is for drip coffee, I guess. Yep. Okay. So, and then, oops, sorry. The mini bar. Okay. Take it away, 500 baht. Okay, thank you. Okay, so a good sized television. And then, as I say, this is the panorama corner view of the spectacular room. So I request high floor. I'm on the 23rd floor, which is very nice I check in after my meeting, so it's sunset time. It's about 5 p.m. So very nice here. And then because it's on the 23rd floor, so you got a pretty open view as well. Okay, so back here, if I want to do some work, this is a big table with all the universal sockets and stuff, and then a waist bar and everything. Okay, they do not have a club lounge, so they give me 2 coupons for welcome drink. So anyway, there is a cute little sitting area here with the cushion, magazine, and a small plant, and then a big wide king size bed here. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, drink it out with some water, the watch, and everything. And then on the other side, okay, so pretty much it. Okay, so they used a similar iPad for lighting, do not disturb, aircon, and stuff. Okay, so pretty good. Consider it's the spectacular room. It's pretty nice for work. I'm here for 2 nights and we have some meetings around this area. Actually, I'm inviting some business partner to come here for meeting, and that's why I'm staying over this part of Bangkok. Okay, so I will have breakfast tomorrow morning and I will have dinner tonight at this famous restaurant. So I will show you more. So just follow me, I will show you.
Mushroom and carrot flavored, and it is all made from with a big fish.
Great, thank you.
อันนี้จะเป็นที่ชื่อของที่มีอาหารค่ะเอ็นใจนะคะ
Thank you.
Oyster sauce?
Yeah. Perfect, thank you.
Enjoy, huh?
Thank you. Hi, wow. Good morning. This is the rainy Bangkok. I've been here for 5 days. It's my last day here for work, and it's raining. But after a morning meeting, I am heading to the airport, so it will not be too bad for me. So, hello everyone. Good morning, Bangkok.